Digital imagery is a powerful tool for communication. Most of us interact with digital images on a daily basis, and your students are no different. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to engage your students, help them build vital visual communication skills, and develop your own creative skill set along the way, this course is for you. You'll learn how to use Adobe Photoshop to easily create engaging digital images to support and deepen your students' learning in any subject area. The tutorials, projects and lesson ideas in this course are simple, flexible and adaptable, making them an ideal resource for your own learning and also making it easy to assign them directly to your students in any subject. You'll learn from Diana Keeler, an expert educator from Occidental College, and see a wide range of teaching resources, projects and activities spanning all ages and grade levels. Enroll and learn more at edx.adobe.com.